Welcome to the Introduction to iPhone, Email, and Camera, Part 5 of 7 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. This video includes email and camera. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scrolling sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. Email. Tap the mail icon. Select Mail Service. Sign in using the user ID and password for the mail, not the iPhone. Or tap the App Store icon, enter Gmail in the search field, tap Get Once, Download, and tap Open. An icon will then be on the desktop. Email. Tap the Gmail icon, then tap the plus sign. Enter information. Email continued. To attach a picture or file, tap the paperclip icon. Send button. Camera. Tap the camera icon. Camera screen opens. Select photo or video. Toggle for the front and back cameras. Press the white circle to take a photo. Select video. White circle will turn red. Press to record. Press again to stop recording. After taking a photo, you can hold your finger on the screen. A yellow square will appear. Beside it is an icon of a yellow sun. This feature allows you to adjust the light level of the photo. Drag your finger downward and the photo darkens. Drag your finger upward and the photo lightens. This concludes the introduction to iPhone, email, and camera. Thank you for joining us for part 5. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining parts 6 and 7 of iPhone. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.